It's gonna be a long night.
No, it's not, because you're gonna stop.
Oh my god. No, Pizza. Please. Oh my god, I'm sorry, my hiccups are like that. I can't help it.
I've never seen me cry ever again.
Pizza, I can't help it. That's how I hiccup.
Drink some water.
I just did. I'm watching The Omen. I'm lonely.
I will shove this water down. Put the table where I can drink the water. That's some shit.
Nice hair.
Drink the water. A drop on my laptop and I will kill you. I swear to God. That's Caddy.
Okay, yeah, come
Can
back.
I go to sleep now?
Yeah, come back though. Say goodnight.
That's gonna be your bed. But one more time, and I swear to God.
Good night, Vita.
I hate you.